Europe's migratory birds travel along three main corridors. Only one of these connects Eastern Europe with Northern Africa. The section along the eastern Adriatic coast represents a bottleneck within the Black Sea Mediterranean Flyway and is referred to as the Adriatic Flyway. It extends from the Adriatic Sea to the Dinaric Mountains, including the Pannonian lowland and the coastal areas of Montenegro and Albania. The region hosts several wetlands of international importance for migratory waterbirds. Floodplains, lakes, marshes, lagoons, and river deltas represent crucial stopover sites for migratory waterbirds. However, each year migrants need to overcome severe threats, especially along the Adriatic Flyway. Hundreds of poachers wait for the aerial travelers to arrive in their traditional resting grounds. Each year, particularly during migration periods, bird populations are dramatically depleted by bird crime. Observations during the close season and inside official hunting ban areas prove that hunting laws are frequently violated. Often, not even protected areas, such as nature parks, escape that terrible spectacle. Counts of wintering waterbirds in the region show decreasing trends in several important wintering sites.
Migratory 3, Fulikator 8. Kar se tiče vodnih ptic, je jezero slovelo po tem, da je na njem nekoč bilo do pol milijona vodnih ptic iz osrednjih in vzhodnih delov Evrope. Danes je pa tukaj le še nekaj 10,000 vodnih ptic.
While at least 2 million birds are killed annually along the Adriatic Flyway by registered hunters only, the number of unreported cases of bird crime is left in the dark.
After the 90s, when the dictatorship finished, then people thought we are all free. We have to do what the Politburo was doing, which was hunting, and let's go hunt all together.
Law enforcement is missing and control is missing, and this is why waterbird populations, especially waterbirds, are still in incredible decline.
However, in some areas, nature conservation NGOs, local communities, and administrations are successfully managing important bird areas.
The Lonjsko Polje is probably the best example where the people and the nature live together. With creation of Lonjsko Polje Management Office and also with the listing Lonjsko Polje as a Ramsar site, as a wetland of international importance, the hunting on waterfowl has been banned officially.
Turopoljska svinja, naša domaća, autohtona svinja. Pticu ne lovi niko, smo mi znali da je od nekada zakon zaštićena, a šta bi lovili ptice? U ptici nema nikakvog mesa.
Kako lepo je! Lepo sam! Ajde, digni! Evo je!
Iza mene se nalazi jedno od najlepših mesta u Vojvodini. To su depresije Bare Rusande. Tamo ispred mene trči konj, koji je vrlo razdragan. I ono što je jako dobro jeste da je ta voda sad delimično poplavila ovaj pašnjak. I pticama koje dolaze sa severa Evrope i negdje iz Sibira i iz raznih krajeva omogućilo je neverovatno mesto za seobu, to je za boravak tokom seobe, za ishranu. Oni se sada tu odmaraju, sakupljaju snagu, ali ono što je također bitno jeste da se na ovom mjestu ne lovi.
Our natural heritage is a common value that is hard to be measured in monetary ways. but it is fairly easy to feel its emotional and cultural meaning.
We have a lot of smaller punctual successes over the time. If you put that all together, this is already a lot. And all that over time will change the situation as a whole.
I try with my students at the university to keep them involved in nature protection and also bird watching. I do not expect them to be ornithologists, but at least interested in birds, and slowly they could be independent.
The conservation of European wild birds has been claimed to be a collective, pan-European responsibility in recent years. By joining forces and starting dialogues between all social groups and decision-makers involved, we can make the AF a safer place for Europe's wild bird populations and preserve a healthy and worth-living environment for man as well. Let's join forces to preserve our natural heritage. Let's preserve safe wetland areas along the Adriatic Flyway.